Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam connection error, multiplayer issue, no compatible server found error on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Hell Let Loose Vietnam server status. And if you find their server status offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. Fix 1 is to turn off Wi-Fi router or modem, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet and then click on properties. Then select the Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4 and then click on properties and then select the option use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK, close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now here in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one and then paste it over here. You can copy and paste the code from my video description. Then hit enter, copy the second code, paste it over here, hit enter, copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter, copy the last code, paste it over here, hit enter. You can see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. Now type exit exit, then hit enter. This will close the command prompt. Now just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So wherever you have installed the game, open the game installation folder. Open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder. First select this HLL Vietnam exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this launch HLL exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this third one, start protected game exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. This time open the HLL Vietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HLL Vietnam Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder. Select this HLL Vietnam exe file. Click open. Click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Again click on allow another app. Click on browse. Select this launch HLL exe file. Click open. Click on add. Again after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Again click on allow another app. Click on browse. Select this start protected game exe file. Click open. Click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app. Click on browse. Open the HLL Vietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HLL Vietnam Win64 shipping exe file. Click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Comodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to reset network settings. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Click on network reset. Now first read this one and next to network reset, click on reset now. And if you're sure, then you can click on yes to confirm. And after resetting your network, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now right click on this HLL Vietnam exe file and then select run as administrator and then check if that works or not. If not, Then open the HLL Vietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Right click on HLL Vietnam Win64 shipping exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then untick it and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. You can connect to a different location than your current location and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. This is the last solution. So simply go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. After your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, connection error, multiplayer issue, or no compatible server found error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.